Welcome to your guide on watching replays in Valorant. Let's dive into how you can enhance your gaming skills. First, launch Valorant and head to the Career tab. This is where your match history is waiting for you. Next, select a match. Be sure to pick one where you feel you could improve. Click on it to view the details. Now click on View Replay. Watch as it loads your match. This is where the magic happens. During playback, use the controls to pause, rewind, or fast forward. Study key moments that crafted your gameplay. Lastly, take notes. Identify strengths and weaknesses to improve your strategy for the next game. And that's it. Watching replays is essential for growth. Embrace it to unlock your potential in Valorant. Practice regularly, analyze replays, and you'll soon see improvements in your gameplay. Get started today. Remember, every pro was once a beginner. Embrace the learning curve in every match you play. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Valorant tips. See you in the next match. Until next time, happy gaming. Let's dominate the battlefield together. Now go ahead and make those replays your stepping stones to success.